Good job measuring, babe.
Thanks.
Good morning, world. I'm so tired from the beach, but I want to go back there.
If we look at this from the right perspective, God is trying to replace a relationship where there was unloving, master-slave, to a slave where there's loving, brother and brother, a family.
We're making lunch in 30 minutes.
Or less.
Or less, because then Kyle has to leave. Good job measuring, babe.
Thanks.
Kyle left to take his high schoolers to a concert, and I'm not gonna see him till Tuesday night, so that makes me kind of sad. And I just finished editing the video for today. It'll be up really soon. I kind of don't want to do anything. This is the like I've been away from Kyle before. Like, this is not even that long. It's like 2 days. I don't know. I haven't felt this sad before. I gotta go clean out Buddy's tank and go to the grocery store. Good night, buddy.